There's never a right or wrong answer. There is the answer. Sometimes you don't agree with it. Sometimes you're just surprised and it could create a whole different new pathway. My name is Scott Montross. I am a research geologist at the National Energy Technology Laboratory, and my expertise is in geochemistry. I grew up in the Adirondack Mountains in upstate New York. I told my mom I wanted to be a geologist when I was 10 years old. And at that time, a geologist was not somebody who made a lot of money. And I can remember my mom saying to me, well, maybe you should become a biologist instead because you could be a doctor one day. And I just felt like I wanted to stay studying rocks, and someday I'd have a job where I looked at rocks. I did my undergraduate bachelor's degree at the Metropolitan State University of Denver, and after that I worked for the U.S. Forest Service as a hydrologist. And so I spent a lot of time out in the field, walking around, investigating. And when it came time to decide what to do next, I got a master's and PhD in geomicrobiology. When I was in graduate school, the project was to study microbial life beneath a glacier in Antarctica. As a hockey player, I was very fascinated by ice. I was able to take a few helicopter rides to collect rocks, and I'm pretty sure that we landed on places where no humans ever walked before. I came here as an ORISE postdoctoral fellow, characterizing the rare earth element minerals within coal and coal fly ash. Rare earth element is a special type of metal that's used for cell phones, next generation power, solar panels. The name is misleading. They're not actually rare. It's rare to be able to separate them into their individual elements. They are pretty much abundant throughout the Earth's crust. The advantage of the research that's being done here at NETl is it could make technology, flat screens, different game components actually more accessible and actually cheaper on the market because the products that they're built with are actually produced and manufactured here in the US. My job goes from emails to drilling rock cores, to writing papers, to reacting rocks with acid, to setting up different experiments, to writing reports. I think the best part of my job is having the flexibility to think outside the box, to come up with ideas, maybe ideas that I can't address today or tomorrow, but I can present them and down the road possibly they become research ideas. I'm continually thinking.